Good morning and welcome to Rockstar UK. In this episode I'm going to fit my Trail Tech Vapor Speedometer to the ruckus. Now since the rebuild excuse me, since the rebuild I haven't refitted it, and the reason is I just wanted to make sure the bike was working. Now I've got to do a little bit of looming because there are some cables that run to certain areas of the bike, so I'll show you how that works, where they go, but I'm going to mount this in a slightly different place, so I'll take you through it. Okay, so here's the Trail Tech Vapor with a standard mount. Well, that would usually, as you can see there, mount to your handlebars, but I'm not going to mount it there. Now you'll have a set of plugs that come off the back. I'm not a lover of these, to be honest. I wish it was all loomed up or stuff and make it a bit neater, but I've made this little bracket. Now I've already pilot drilled the two holes, which are basically for these two holes on the back here, so I've just got to open them up and make sure that they fit to these snugly, and basically that will sit on the back. Now I'm going to mount mine just here. There's a hole, so I'm going to mount it there like that. The reason is I like to keep the handlebars nice and clean, but I do need a speedo, so I want to keep it sort of like, not necessarily out the way, but just make it look different and a little bit sleeker. So let's crack on. Right, so I've just taken the backing plate off and literally this little bracket, I've literally drilled it off, so a couple of holes here which line up with these, and then this hole that I've drilled here will mate up on the bike with this hole just here. So that'll then can get bolted together and I can bolt it up on the bike, and then from there it's a wiring. So I'll wait for that to dry because I've just painted it, so we'll wait for that to dry and we'll crack on. See you in a minute. Right, so I've mounted it, so I used like a big bolt, mounted the two on the back so the bracket's in, you can see. I then tuck the wires up the back. Now to get it to read, obviously you want power, and all I'm installing at the moment is this one was already in, so which is your sort of like your speedometer. Mine comes all the way up here, wraps around so it's nice and neat and tucked, and then the cable comes through here, as you can see down here, plugs in. Now the power I've taken all the way across, and I've used the, can you see this, the OEM Speedo connector on the ATR wiring harness, so it will turn on and off with the key. So if I turn it on, well, you probably couldn't see, but the screen just like lit up. So yeah, good, very simple. It comes with all the plugs, they pretty much plug in where they go. So tidy this back up and away I go. Right, so I just wanted to show you again. There you go. See the light change as it comes on and off with the key. Simples. Let's get it all back together and see if it all works. So I wanted to show you the finished article. Here it is, all tucked out there nicely. I just wanted to keep the handlebars not so busy, so I decided to put it down there. do you think? Let me know in the comments what you thought. And yeah, I'm happy with that. Keeps the bars clean. I can still see what my speed's doing. So, if you like the video, please give it a like, share, subscribe, and comment down below. Tell me what you think. If you want any help or need any more information, just ping me a private message or just comment down below. I'll pick it up. I'll see you guys in the next video.